Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how posting works in Facebook group when admin approval is required. If you're wondering whether you can post in a Facebook group without admin approval, here's what you need to know. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and go to the group where you want to create a post. Next, tap write something or create a post and enter your text, photos, videos, or other content. Once you're finished, tap post or submit. If the group has post approval turned off, your post will be published immediately for group members to see. However, if the group requires admin or moderator approval, your post will be sent to the pending post section instead of being published right away. Unfortunately, there is not a setting or method that allows regular members to bypass or disable admin approval. Only the group's admins and moderators can change the group settings to allow posts to appear without approval. If you need your post to somewhere sooner, you can politely contact an admin or moderator and ask them to review your pending post. Otherwise, you'll need to wait until your post is approved before it becomes visible to other members. And that's it. That's how posting with admin approval works in Facebook groups. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.